10 o'clock? Hi! Compressor in your master bus is coming along. I got, now Tommy P has done some of his own commentary and observations to add to the narrative of the song. And I have done some of my own. And between him and me, I want to have like a couple of different choruses. And you're about to see one of them, but I want to come up with another one that's got some different chord changes in it to add some variety to the song. But this piece is really coming together. And check out what I got to add on to what Tommy's done, and let's give it a look. Dude, I think you got a compressor in your master bus. You might want to check that out. Can I tell you something? I think you got a compressor in your master bus. You might want to do something about that. You could go soft knee. You could go hard knee. You could even opt to DS. If you do too much, it'll make a mess. I've done it myself, I must confess. You could go hard knee, you could go soft knee, you could even DS. If you do too much, you'll make a mess. I've done it myself, I must confess. Yes, yes, yes. Well, there you have it. All right. I'm going to work on a different chorus to add some variety to this piece. But this idea, compressor in your master bus, is starting to take form. And that's the whole point of the show, so you can see the progress of these things as they come together. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a great Labor Day weekend. 10 o'clock. Hi.